My name is Alice McNeil, and today I will be presenting the journal article titled Field Evaluation of Supplementary Feed and Water for the Northern Hairy-Nosed Wombat, Lasiorhinus krefftii. This article was published in April 2007 in the Wildlife Research Journal. The Northern Hairy-Nosed Wombat is currently a protected species in Australia and is classified as critically endangered. The only population currently inhabits a portion of Epping Forest National Park in northeastern Australia. Every effort is going into conserving this important species of wombats, including constructing a 20-kilometre dingo-proof fence around the habitat, controlling the competitors in the area, and keeping a close watch on the population to ensure its survival. The aim behind this journal article was to establish a supplementary food and water area, which in times of need the wombats could utilise. Supplementary feeding has been attempted in the past, however these have been unsuccessful. The difference between this research from past work was to offer the feed for water for longer periods of time to see if the wombats would accept the supplementary feeding. This acceptance would be beneficial to the species during drought times and could result in an increase in numbers. The study was conducted in September 2004 to July 2005 within the 33-hectare Epping Forest National Park. The wombat habitat, which is surrounded by a 1.9-metre high fence, occupies 750 hectares. The wombat diet consists mainly of low quantity and quality feeds, and as such, complete oats and town and country pellets were chosen, as they were similar in composition to wombat pellets. Molasses, sweet potato, and lucerne hay were also used to see if L. krefftii had any interest in them. 8 feed and water stations were put along the vehicle track, along with 2 water-only sites, as seen in Figure 1. Feed was delivered to each site before dusk each evening, and tracks on sand plots from L. krefftii and other animals around the feed and water stations were recorded on data sheets each morning. A video surveillance system was also set up at W1 to overcome the limitations of track monitoring. By monitoring the sand plots, it was found that L. krefftii visits to the supplementary feed and water stations were directly linked to rainfall. The more it rained, the less the wombats needed the food and water. Overall, this study showed that L. krefftii is willing to accept the supplementary food and water throughout the year. Macropods will also take advantage of this resource, and so it would be in management's best interests to reduce the numbers of macropods in the area or to make macropod-proof stations to reduce competition for this important species. By having these stations set up, it ensures the population has a reliable resource, which will hopefully result in an increase in the northern hairy-nosed wombats of Australia.